So welcome friends. Today I unbox a popular product that is TP-Link. The model number is TLWN722N. Actually, it is not a router. This is a wireless USB adapter. So in a single sentence, the difference between a wireless USB adapter and a router is by a wireless USB adapter, you can connect through a router by your PC or laptop. That means the wireless USB adapter helps you to connect to the internet. This is mainly useful for desktop PCs because they have no wireless built-in connection, but in laptop there are many wireless built-in connection like wireless cards, USB adapter built-in. So this is mainly for desktops. So thus, as you can see, this is the 150 Mbps, and this is a high gain wireless adapter, and it is also compatible with Windows 8, and the encryption is WPS, and this is a Wi-Fi certified, and it also comes with a 3 years warranty. And previously I can say this is the model number TLWN722N. So carefully see, and this is the QR code of. So the QR code is also printed on both side. So this is the this side QR code, and so as you can see, this is the USB 2.0. USB 2.0 not a comes with 3.0, and the frequency range of the USB adapter is 2.4 to 2.4835 gigahertz, and the security supported is WAP, WPA, WPAT, PA2, PA2, PSK encryption. So friends, if you find any struggle, that is the security here describe, please check on Google what is router security, then you have a clear idea about it. And it comes with LED. That means when you connect to the this wireless USB adapter to the internet, then the LED is built in, and that's indicate that the router is also with the router is working. So this is the operating system that this router this wireless USB adapter supported. As you can see, this is Windows 8, both 32-bit, 64-bit, Windows 8, 8.17, Vista, XP. Almost all Windows family operating system are covered, and the working temperature 0 degree to 40 degree. So no more talk, let's unpack. So let's so this is this is the box under this box. So let's pull out. As you can see, this is a wireless USB adapter again. So I comes on it later. Before I describe the all of these settings, we know what is inside this. So this is the cable comes with. That means this is the USB port, go to the PCs or CPUs port. Each is a 2.0, or this side this size is fit with. So okay, so what is come inside the box is also a TP-Link driver CD. So and this is the international TP-Link warranty, or this is warranty plus manual comes with. So friends, another hoax and another media on the Google, almost all the world, that is shared by that this mode does not support monitor mode and does not support in Windows 10. But I also use this same UL wireless USB adapter in my Windows 10 PC. The operating system is Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Professional 64-bit version. So on that by using this driver CD, I can use this adapter. So don't trust any hoax that this wireless USB adapter does not support Windows 10 operating system. So if you can easily install on that. So if you face any trouble, please below on comment and say, then I will help you. So a closer look on that. As you can see, this is the high gain, and this is TLWN722N. This is the model number, and this is the TP-Link branding. And this antenna is very useful because in another wireless USB adapter, they don't have any antenna. This antenna supported also a high gain Wi-Fi range. That means if you have used this wireless USB adapter in your laptop, but the router is suppose you are in second floor but your router is in third floor, by this antenna, this is easily catch up the signal, because its signal frequency is also here you can see this is signal frequency is also high, is 2.4 gigahertz. This is also, by that you can easily catch up the router frequency, or and this is only for high gain, but you can also detach it by again. As you can see, I can detach the antenna. So you can easily pull up this or detach it whenever you feel. That means if you feel your router is too much away from your connection, then you can pull on this and to get high gain. Or if your router is in same room, but your router or your laptop desktop is same room, so they don't need an antenna, so you can easily connect this, or that connect to the internet. So friends, another things I say that this is also this is mind-blowing wireless USB adapter, because its speed is almost very good. And another advantage of this wireless USB adapter is this suppose monitor modes means if you a Linux distro user, suppose you are a Kali Linux user, you want to hack someone Wi-Fi password, then this is a very good choice, because by monitor mode you can tracking their IP address. All Wi-Fi all Wi-Fi wireless adapter don't support monitor mode. So this is the specific version. Please say carefully, TLWN722N. Write this model number and buy from Amazon, Flipkart. I bought from local store, so no matter that. So if you buy from anywhere, what same model number, this is good. This is good for internet. This is good for creating hotspot. It is also good for Linux hacking. If you are purely interested in hacking, this I definitely say you this is the best choice for you. So, and the price range, another important thing, price range is not also high. The price range is comes with near about in Indian money 800 rupees. So check the price. So if you feel any trouble by installing this in Windows 10, please comment below. So okay friends, goodbye.